Welcome to the coolest play center in the world! In this week's episode, we're taking you to what might just be the best play center in the world. You have asked us where to find the ultimate indoor playground, and we think we've found it. Loco Bear in Dubai. Loco Bear is one of Dubai's biggest indoor play centers, packed with 12 amazing attractions. From bowling and virtual reality games to laser tag battles, wall climbing, trampolines, ninja courses, and even a slime zone. Ready? Now it's time to go fast. Now it's time to go fast. It's a place full of adventure, creativity, and fun, all under one roof. It can only be described as an entertainment paradise for kids. With so many activities packed in, the fun never ends. Get ready for the wildest indoor adventure. Oh, let's go on the big slide, the big one. 2, 1, please. That was so fast! Let's go again! The trampoline park is one of the highlights, with freestyle trampolines, foam pits, dodgeball and obstacle courses. The wall-to-wall interconnected trampolines let you bounce, flip, and soar from one zone to the next. Slow and steady wins the race. I am the king! Yeah! 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! So bouncy! That's so fun!
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the
Let's try this one. Let's try this.
One go. You can't do that.
Go. Go, Lucas.
Now, this has to be the coolest wall climbing setup we've ever seen. It's full of Lego-like structures and even a giant Rubik's Cube tower to climb. Wall climbing is a sport where you use your hands and feet to climb up a special wall. It's an awesome activity because it uses your whole body.
That was fun and easy. 3, 2, 1. Hello.
I have one strawberry chocolate, please.
Yes, coming. Yum yum.
Ooh, look at that drizzle. Thank you. Ready?
Can I have one?
Yummy. The best.
We're now going to experience virtual reality. Virtual reality is like stepping inside a video game. You wear special goggles and suddenly, everywhere you look, you see a brand new world. You might be flying through space, swimming under the ocean, or racing cars on a crazy track. When you move your head, the world moves with you, so it feels like you're really there.
It's so fun.
It's so cool.
We're like upside down and everything.
Every time we hit water used to spray us, even in real life. And when we went down a big mountain, there was a bunch of wind that gusted us away. It was so cool. Don't tell Lucas I'm here. I slide so far, I'll come down and go whoosh. Ready, go, come on. So fun. Let's go here. It's bouncy.
Oh, the box is over there.
See, nothing under, nothing on top. Number 2, very high. Look how high it went. Even the bathroom's amazing.
Play centers aren't just about having fun. They keep you moving, climbing and jumping, which makes you strong and healthy.
Instead of sitting at home like a couch potato, you get to explore, make friends, and challenge yourself. That's why indoor playgrounds are so great for kids. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next exciting adventure.